Well, that's my story, Johnny.
Looks like you're in a lot of trouble. You'll find Venom.
But how? Venom is invisible to my sense.
Knowing your luck, Venom will find you. Have faith, Spidey.
Where could she be? Gotta find her. Got no choice.
Where? What a... Hey, wanna race? Parker hates it when I get the drop on him.
I hate it when he gets the drop on me.
Hurry up, Parker!
Move it, Spidey, move it! Gotta keep moving. Gotta keep up.
Quit slacking, boy!
Haven't used the Spidey armor much before, but it could be useful here.
Come on, Parker. Yeah, look out, lady.
Oh my goodness!
Get out of my way, nerd. Watch that first step, Parker. It's a doozy.
Ow, my head! Ow, my head!
Yeah, look out, lady.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, sorry, lady. Didn't see a thing. If you want to fight, follow me.